This is HUAWEI NOVA 11i, and today I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the app gallery, then find the app called Caffeine. So the paddle search did not provide me with the results I was looking for. Let me try it one more time. Yep. So then you will need to open any search engine that you prefer and enter the Caffeine APK query instead. Come on, let me use the search, please. Thank you. So Caffeine APK. Then open whatever website you find trustworthy or you know that it is safe to download stuff from. So in my case, I'll just go with APK Pure, but as you can see, or well, not really, but still, this is not the app that I should be looking for. So then I'll just use the APK Pure search, input the, come on, let me please do something. Input the Caffeine query, and that's the app that I was looking for, the HUAWEI as the developer's name. Then once the app is found, hit the download APK button. Then prior to installing the Caffeine, grant whatever web browser you use to install unknown apps or install apps from external sources permission. Then launch the APK file. Let me open the list of downloads real quick. Then tap at the install button. OK. Wait until all the security checks will be performed, then install. And the Caffeine app should have been successfully installed. So here it is. Then launch the app. In here, make sure that the timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app will be active in the background, so make sure not to close it or turn it off, your screen will not automatically go to sleep. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.